Yo guys, so Kz just dropped the ZS10 Pro 2 upgraded version, and I'm curious what it has to offer this time. Well, let's find out. As per usual guys, we'll check its physical overview, test its features, and more. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Mac and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So what do we get inside the box? The IEM themselves, rubber and foam ear tips with different sizes, a tool for tuning the switch, USB-A to female USB-C cable extension around 3 feet, the IEM detachable cable with mic and it is in USB-C. They call this M2 Esports upgraded cable, and also the manual. Now let's check out its physical overview. So the build is mainly plastic, but you do get this metal-like armor plate on the face side. It seems like it has an open back design as well. The shell themselves are transparent, so you can actually see most of its internal components. And one thing I've noticed is that the speaker output hole is noticeably larger compared to your usual IEMs. It also includes both silicone and memory foam ear tips in 3 different sizes. When properly fitted, they can block out outside noise, which is great if you're in a noisy environment. Another highlight is the detachable 2-pin cable design. It uses the standard size, so if ever the cable wears out, you can easily replace them. Now, as for the features, inside these IEMs, you're getting a hybrid driver setup. One dynamic driver that handles the bass and 4 balanced armature drivers for the mids and the highs. This combination gives you a cleaner separation across the whole frequency range and has more detail compared to a single driver earphones. If you pick up the USB-C version, it actually has a built-in DSP sound card. This lets you switch between 4 different EQ modes instantly, so you can change your sound profile depending on the type of music or content you're listening to, all without extra apps or adjusting the manual tuning on the IEM themselves. And yes, these IEMs are tunable in 4 levels also. It effortlessly caters to your preference, whether it's clear vocals, deep bass, or rich chords. For communication, it comes with a dual microphone setup. This omnidirectional mic is designed to pick up your voice clearly, making them useful not just for calls but even for gaming or streaming. But obviously, we're going to test this out if it's really true. These IEMs are also widely compatible. The USB-C model works with most modern devices like mobile phones, tablets, and even laptops that supports USB-C audio. Well, I guess that's all for its features, but if you want to know more detailed specifications, then you can check this out and pause the video. Now let's talk about the sound quality. When the tuning is off and the built-in DSP sound card is disabled, the sound output focuses on high frequencies. It has a good clarity, but personally I feel irritated with that high tuning. Turning on the low frequency to level 1 or 2 adds a bit of bass, but the overall difference is minimal. So I suggest keep it at level 3 because this will actually help balance the overall sound output. Now with the DSP sound card is enabled, you also get 4 levels of tuning. The concept is similar to the manual tuning on the IEM themselves. But when using the DSP cable, the differences between each level are much more noticeable. And because the sound is tunable, I'll give the sound output a 9.8 out of 10. By the way, you can also use this DSP cable with other IEMs as well. Hopefully we can buy this separately in the market soon. Now let's listen to the mic tests. Okay, so this is the sound of the headset's mic plugged into my PC without editing or any post-processing. Check 1 2 3 4 sound check mic test 1 2 3 4. So for the mic quality, honestly, it's not the best. It's fine for basic communications like calls or casual gaming, but I wouldn't recommend this for streaming or any kind of content creation. If you want your audience to stick around, you'll definitely need a better mic. So for the built-in microphone quality, let's give this a 6.6 out of 10. As for comfort, the shell's weight is so-so and the shape sits naturally in the ear. With different ear tip options, you can get a secure fit that blocks outside noise without causing pressure even after long listening sessions. For me, these are fine, so I'll rate the comfort quality an 8.2 out of 10. In terms of build quality, the body is mostly plastic but reinforced with metal-like faceplate that gives it a sturdier look. The detachable 2-pin cable adds durability since you can easily replace it if needed. Overall, the build feels solid for its price point, so I'll give the build quality an 8.6 out of 10. In conclusion, the Kz-ZS10 Pro 2 upgraded version really delivers for its price. You're getting a solid build, comfortable fit, tunable sound with both manual or the new DSP cable, and the performance that can rival more expensive IEMs. Sure, the mic isn't great for streaming or any content creation, but for listening and casual communication, it gets the job done. Anyway, if you'll ask me if I'll recommend this, well, that is still a yes. So get one for yourself today by clicking the link in the description below or the affiliate link on your screen. And if you think this is not for you, then check out the other IEM reviews we have on your screen as well. So that's it guys, this is Mac, thanks for watching and we'll see you all in the next one.